Good day and welcome to Azure News, bringing you the latest updates from Microsoft Azure. Today's top story is about GitHub's Copilot. In celebration of Microsoft's 50th anniversary, GitHub Copilot is rolling out significant upgrades, including Agent Mode and Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to all Visual Studio Code users globally. Agent Mode transforms Copilot into a proactive coding assistant, capable of automatically translating your prompts into working code. With the new MCP support, developers can seamlessly integrate context from their entire engineering stack, allowing Copilot to dynamically respond to complex coding tasks by leveraging external tools, telemetry, databases, and more. Additionally, GitHub introduces the Copilot Pro Plus subscription plan. This new plan provides 1,500 monthly premium requests, granting developers access to advanced models like Anthropic Claude 3.5 and 3.7 Sonnet, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash, and OpenAI's GPT 4.5, starting at $39 per month. All organizations will have flexible pay-as-you-go premium request options beyond their monthly allowance, enabling greater customization in managing development costs. Also launched into general availability are two eagerly anticipated features: the Copilot Code Review Agent, which has already been successfully used by over 1 million developers, and Next Edit Suggestions, helping developers quickly navigate and execute coding improvements. These exciting updates reaffirm GitHub and Azure's dedication to equipping developers with the most powerful and efficient AI-enhanced tools available today. Don't forget to update your VS Code to enable Agent Mode and start experiencing these new capabilities immediately. That's all for this Azure News update. Stay tuned for more exciting developments. Have a productive day.